Hey, look at this bumble.
Hey, Rasta.
That come like a China you get that for a black fall. Cause I don't think of you blood clot brown this so. This is not brown, I don't think of you black this so.
You want me to get this? No. So you gonna eat for your dinner tonight? I'm fine. You fine? You want to give you money? How much you want to give you? Like 100,000? What? You not go back and work tomorrow if you get so much money, man.
People can't fit you up in our things. Them in say, alright, blood clot. Them can
when you're drunk, you don't know what you're doing.
Move your blood clot. Me don't wear, you see me wear shots? You see me wear them pants, I put them markers up. I put them blood clot markers up. Look on the foot them, look how them marker.
So Jerry better say, marker, who this then? Who this?
Them can you, something wrong with you know.
So who this?
I like my bum buckle.
Alright, don't let it on it.
I like.
I thought they use a mash up in fried cheese.
This is not murder. This is not nothing, Papa. This is not one. Now why do? Why do? You know, broke me bum buckle all we want. We want these out dick. And you want to go and he can't lick with me. And see, we want these out dick.
Where can you use that?
Murder in blood clot. I mean, I was stung up this morning too. Blood run. Okay. Now make sure you put up my blood clot. Where is it?
You know, I can take your medication.
No, man, when me tell you to take you know, man, we got to take your blood clot medication.
No, for that dirty girl I go nowhere. Are you trying to go yourself?
No, you have to follow me.
I'm not going to go with me. I'm not going to go with me.
Alright, make him meet up.
I'm not going to make up a couple of blood clots.
If you man go taking medication, you taking medication, alright. Are you live around there with him, you know? Make him go take it. You can go take it. If you know say the woman hand sick, you can go take it. You can. Walk with him.
Hey, look at this bumble.
Hey, Rasta.
Hey,
Behave yourself.
chop boy.
Yo, you're wicked.
You don't miss more than
No, being in an appeal, I'm
No, fuck with
Me
me.
don't miss more than
Wait, what? When I tell you what?
Right.
I am pushing you, I said, my can't lick me.
Me don't miss more than
If you lick me, I'm a pretty youth. Listen me, I'm like a lick.
Who can't defend that? Who can't defend that on the list?
Oh, you soon know, lick me on blood classic. Dead bumper class.
Nothing, go up for your back. Go up for your back, Uncle.
Leave me. We just gun in punch and the shadow.
Come,
Go ahead.
come, let me know. The thing you want to keep party. Me a party on my pussy out here.
I'll be a mouth up.
People for it. Is that my scheme I'm living now? Them say man in there.
Jerry!
Hey, him suck him mother. The man.
Hey!
Him suck him mother. The man love me off.
Jesus!
Yo. The man.
Jesus!
Hey.
Jesus!
Man ram with the name.
Jesus!
Hey yo, what you want?
Jesus!
You want money? What you want? What is the topic? We're going to talk to them, because we can't be here them in. Every day for that
You them want me, them go on to them.
we don't have no free show, you know. What is the topic? You have money? I want beer, I want things. Where you advertise?
She said what the flowers there.
I buy flowers. I said, no, man, I don't have free flowers. I have to know the name of the flowers they come for buy. Hey, baby love, I sell flowers and fruits and jimbling mango in them. I buy manure and fertilizer and spray them. Can you see them, sir? I will spend on them. So you come with the name of where you want and you bring your money come.
Hey, Jerry, look on my face. Good.
But I'm telling you, I'm not nothing free. You're labor right. I tell you, blood, I promise you no flowers, you know. You come.
Yo. So because a certain woman I run with long and I suck up with them. Yes, it should be where we do with all with some. Y'all them a with sugar plum, them a free run come. No one no boy with a pop bar and a drink rum. Woman I run me down and I suck up with them. But it should be where we do with all with some. Y'all them a with sugar plum, them a free run come. No one no boy with a pop bar and a drink rum. The girl them look me like cheese. Y'all them out a road that come swarm me like these. Just through the loving them me give to their knees. Girl a lock me in the house. Dash you the keys. Ready fi go away. Girl a shout out please. Do not go nowhere. Yes, so she make pan the knees.
Yeah.
My time. Woman a
Rub it down.
and a suck up me
down.
tongue. Must it today me made the way the all win some. Girl them a me sugar plum. Them a feel run come. Now one a boy with a pub bar and a drink club. I just fit travel with me boots and most of all I just fit drink up me
Roots.
cause they got you chat too hard to produce like the good Irish mash carrot and the root.
Pull up.
Then we got to learn the truth. I am girl where you play and girl where
Cute.
Girl I wash all me clothes.
Wash all my shoes.
Girl I cook all me food. One a roast me breadfruit. My time.
Oh man, I rub it down. I suck out with her.
Man, a people for it. Is that my scheme I'm living in? Them say man in there.
Jerry!
Hey, him suck him mother. The man.
Hey!
Him suck him mother. The man love me off.
Jesus!
Yo. The man.
Jesus!
Hey.
Jesus!
Man ram with the name.
Jesus!
Hey, yo, what you want?
Jesus!
You want money? What you want? What is the topic? We're going to talk to them, because I can't be here them in. Every day for that
You them want me, them go on to them.
we don't have no free show, you know. What is the topic? You have money? I want beer, I want things. Where I advertise?
She said what the flowers there.
I buy flowers. I said, no, man, I'm not going to free flowers. I have to know the name of the flowers they come for buy. Hey, baby love, I sell flowers and fruits and jimbling mango in them. Maybe buy manure and fertilizer and spray them. Can you see them, sir? I will spend on them. So you come with the name of where you want and you bring your money come.
Hey, Jerry, look on my face. Good.
But I'm telling you, I'm not nothing free. You're labor right. I tell you, blood, I promise you no flowers, you know. You come.
Must watch this.
That come like a China you get that for there. A black fall. Cause I don't think of you blood clot brown this so. This is not brown, I don't think of you black this so. Pussy bombo clot. Where? You think I'm burning chicken bone over there? Bombo clot. So me get
A China chicken.
China your blood clot, the Africa chicken is. This is a chicken that come from the heart of Africa. Bombo blood clot. Brown stew chicken, this you know. No brown in the left back in the buckle. No brown in the left back in the buckle. No, sir. I will like to use bandits. Bombo clot. Pussy clot. He don't sleep when I run it. The jump asleep I season it. Blood clot. No, sir. This affidavit. Bombo clot.
I better you not get up. Oi, I better you not get up. Better you not get up. Who make you rum? Who make you rum?
Roll back.
Who make you rum?
Roll back.
Who are drinking?
Jerry?
Yeah.
Yeah?
The strawberry that.
Yeah.
Strawberry want my pussy. They promise me I am come fuck. Yeah, baby.
You mama we never tell you who are you papa, we never tell you say the man we fucking breed him. Are you one a uncle? So that's why you name no fucking dep on the bird certificate.
Bricks, how you get 32-inch flat screen? Brand new! Bricks!
No pussy test.
32-inch! Clean! Tell them! Brand new!
Me never sex with you, Jerry. Something like for me, you make me.
What do you mean now for?
Stop.
If I go sit down. Hey, yo, the world one.
Get me out of it.
Not taking me out of
Done
it.
one for me now, Jerry. Done.
Oh, better finna have a boyfriend.
Done.
Don't your blood clot fuck with me head. She good looking, right?
Done.
I'm a 1,000 man want Bella. Every time they book me, them want Bella.
I just fans and just a trouble you
Fans?
forward they take things serious.
Them take it serious, Bella. Them want to fuck you. Bella, man out there want to fuck you.
Me no want fuck nobody, Jerry.
Me don't know how you gonna do it, you know.
Oh, me gonna do what?
Stop them from fuck you.
Jerry!
Them man look for her.
Look for me for do what?
Them to be tell us, them coming for you all about the place.
Jerry, stop now.
Hey, yeah, me not stop. Man, you let yourself careless, you know.
Who do what?
For man carry over, get killed fuck.
Jerry!
After last week, my palm grove.
Jerry!
A man say me have a big good
Hey!
a big blood clot out. That's 16 inches tall. Hey man love you, you know. Hey yo!
You see, me not done. So when I'm talking about me vote level, me not done. See the pig feed, PIG, FEED feed, pig feed, chicken feed, goat feed. So I cow feed and hog feed. You see, I don't put that funny.
You're not for the funny. You're not sell there.
But if you sell there, I bull them and that bull them feed to make patty.
So why you talk to woman?
I mean, when me talk to woman, I lay the bread. Ain't no for me no fuck. You know bother my blood clot head, you know. I'm only me alone. You have your page.
You're not supposed to talk to no woman. Which other woman?
And they not fuck.
Which other woman in your phone?
You don't think no more in there, you know. KJ and Chin.
This
Chin
is
say she have
strawberry.
Strawberry. Oh,
This is
just strawberry. Me hear what she go on.
This is
Call strawberry. And she promised to pussy. Call strawberry. Ask her what. You know strawberry?
Hello?
Strawberry, are you that?
Strawberry?
Yes.
Jerry?
Yeah. The strawberry that?
Yeah.
Strawberry want my pussy. They promised me I come fuck. Yeah, but give me that one there, man. Strawberry stop fucking my head. You're gonna buy baby for... Yeah, fucking me. And I fool up my head, man. Because before I tell you, say my people pussy from Guinness this. And you don't come give me my pussy. Say, where are my pussy? Sit down for a big pussy. Where they sit down for a big pussy?
No man pussy not big.
Shut up. I'm just in bed right now.
Just in bed. The way I sleep so late for?
Because we go to party last night.
I pay a party, I go in and go fuck and breathe. I say you don't have nobody, you know.
Jerry.
I want to bury you when you get old.
Jerry.
What? A time for you. You buy a baby from China or Japan.
Jerry.
Leave. You buy a baby. Go and buy a business. You buy a baby. When you bring start the period.
We're not buying no baby.
Jerry. You know, can't breathe now. This is start the period, you know.
Jerry.
Wait, don't you want to chat to the one?
Stop telling the woman them something there.
So tell her what? So all the baby business got baby boom here deal with.
Jerry, love the woman no she not ready for no baby yet. And she a
Yeah,
laugh.
baby has 50. A 50-year-old have plans to have baby.
No, but...
Yeah, have baby next year. Next year you are 40, you know. Let me say next year you are 40. Next year you are 40, you know.
I'm soon go way back to Canada, so I don't know. But
Hold up. You come back to Canada, you come give me fuck it. You know, come fuck me. You can't go back there. One thing. Alright, I put a baby in your home, I go to Canada. Laugh.
Jerry.
Love this like strawberry. Wait, say, you can't come fuck me tonight. You know where I live, you know.
What?
Come fuck me tonight. You know where I live.
But I've been there, like, when we dropped you off after the Guinness party, but...
You call me when you come me direct, you take one taxi and come me direct.
No, but I'm not going to fuck you tonight, Jerry. I'm seeing
So when you seen somebody?
Yeah, we made a new man.
I use boots.
Yeah, we are using...
Oh, you're going to breathe if you use boots. Or you have baby. If you use boots. Alright. You're not sure of the loving. You just go and take 2 for.
Oh.
You, from him.
Oh, what do you mean, without both?
Yeah, you take 2 for. Him rich, him get enough money? Laugh, you fuck for free. You have free fuck I give it. Or I love fuck. I love fuck you have.
Get them together.
But the boy, don't check the man, yo. Just do it. Just don't check me, do it. Yo, in your dream. Bet him, I bet you. Now bet 10 grand now. You beat him. No. Right now, take out the 10 grand.
Him tell me say, you smoke out him grabber. And I get a braid with a jacket pitney and gear with a big belly. I mind for watching, man. Best I say I lie. Say I lie in my camera. Best I say I lie. I get one jacket pitney.
How much pitney you get? How much pitney you get? How much pitney you get?
At 60 when I have a son or a daughter for you.
How much pitney you get?
One man might be a town.
Mighty King Jabba in person, let that be a lesson. Youth and youth, smoking crack is not a good act. Leave that to the people who build that. Don't trust a coke head. My youth not buying nothing from a coke head. The last time me buy something from a coke head. Cannot believe me just buy me own bed. My youth, don't trust a coke head. My youth not buying nothing from a coke head. The last time me buy something from a coke head. Cannot believe me just buy me own bed. That one a name. See the boy down the road and smoke the cocoa. Me look on the youth man and say to let it go. He looking at me face and say King Jabba choke. I will. They go the milk and they go the Milo. But one thing I will rather die if he cocoa myself. He don't just a coke kid. My youth not buying nothing from a coke kid. The last time he buy something from a coke kid. Cannot believe me just buy me one bed. That one a name. The way him love the coke and most the food him a eat. That's why the boy sell him that the fast eat. And the truth me I tell you know me no bias. Just him get the cook him sell him baby pampas. How mama get to know the punk is a piss. One go watch church can find a new dress. Grandmother gone sleep, take off her fast foot. Him gone out the road but I buy him a look. Me say we don't just my youth not buy nothing from a coke kid. The last time me buy something from a coke kid. Cannot believe me just buy me own bed. That one a name youth. No tweaky. No smoky, tweaky. No tweaky, smoky, tweaky. No smoky, tweaky. No tweaky. Me say me ragadaga to the max. All of the youth them put on the coke and a crack. It don't gonna make a cost your life. Sufferation and yeah, you know.
Cup of tea and 2 cigarettes.
How come? $10 more.
My girl, stop with your fucking.
Alright, we're going to switch on our bada.
You know, keep it, man. Because you hold no good night, you know. Stop your mother in a waist, girl. Without Claudia. And me make you get better, you know. You say you're deal with bad man.
You need sick? Who's sick? Alice, you need sick?
You dash your little belly one day, you're going like you're sick, Why you? Oh.